Hello everybody and welcome to Plan with Ivy. My name is Ivy and today we're going to be doing another plan with me. 2 weeks in a row, Ivy's actually planning for the week. I'll give myself a little round of applause for that because I've been so behind lately, but I'm on time this week. I'm on time. So we're going to be using this kit from the Glam Planner. This is a Victoria's Secret theme kit and I think this is going to be very cute in my girly theme for this month. And I have a lot of creative stuff going on this week. I'm going to be trying to doodle and hand letter and create a whole bunch of more stuff for you guys. So check out my Instagram if you're not already, just because a lot of my pictures on Instagram, I think they're pretty good. They're pretty good. And my Instagram fam is growing really quickly, so make sure you're part of the fam over there so you get a lot of updates and stuff. And yeah, this is gonna be it for this intro. So without further ado, let's get planning.
And I know she'll be there for me, at least we'll both be known. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know. This I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, oh I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, oh I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love, yes I know, yeah girl I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never.
Hello everybody and welcome to this week's talk through portion of the plan with me. So today I'm actually filming this on the day that I upload because I have a snow day. So it's snowing in Maryland. Basically all the roads are like covered with 4 inches of snow, so I actually get the day off from work, so that's really great. But I am still trying to be productive this day. Even though I'm in my onesie, I'm very comfortable. I'm still trying to be productive in different ways, and so I just want to talk to you guys a little bit how I'm trying to be productive. So one, if you want to be productive on a day off, I suggest number one that you have to have a list of goals that you want to do, like a list of things that you want to do basically, because it's great. You're like, I want to do so many things today, but what are you going to do today? That's the question. That's the $1 million question. So right over here I actually have a list of things that I want to do today, and so that's helping keeping me on track for today because I already know what I want to do and I know what I want to accomplish.
Be loved. With you, but I love it, oh I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, oh I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, oh I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come.
Okay, so after you have everything on your to-do list, figure out the order that you're going to do it in. Like, figure out what you can get done really easily or what needs to be done first, and then figure out the rest from there. Like, I just finished ordering this checklist, and like the number one thing I want to do on there is edit and upload this plan with me because I just want to get it done, and it's a bit that I can do really quickly. So that was number one. After that, throw in my load of laundry for the day just so I can have that going, and so I'll have that ready for folding and stuff later, and so I can get down Laundry Mountain. And then other things I want to do for content wise, like taking pictures for Instagram, preparing stuff for a writing thing that's coming up in a few weeks, and also finishing this dual workshop that I'm doing on Skillshare. And so those are all like content things I want to get done. and some of them are really fun. Like the duel workshop has been very fun for me. I just get to duel all the time and improve my dueling skills, which I think is really, really fun. And then the stuff after that is like stuff that I want to try to get done, but it may not get done, and that's okay, because this is still a day off for me, so I still want to treat it like you don't have to work, but still get some things done and then have some fun.
Is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. Yes, I know. Yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be in love. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, oh I love it, I can't feel my.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. I think this spread turned out so cute. I love the color scheme, of course. Pastels, muted tones, you know I love them. But also I did a different side quote that I thought I would. I was thinking about doing like feeling myself, because it's like girl power, just like feeling yourself in your lingerie, all that kind of stuff. But then this girl, she was like doing like the secret motion, and so I was like, can you keep a secret? It felt good. And then the bottom washi was looking a little bit plain to me, so I actually took the deco stickers I would usually put at the top and I put them at the bottom, because I already had like the day covers up there, so I didn't want to do too much up here. So it kind of looks like a flat lay, like an Instagram flat lay down there, so I really love that aspect of it. So tell me what you like down below, and I'll make sure to shout you out in next week's video. And stay tuned to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we're doing, lo and behold, another girly girl spread, and we're doing using this Sophie kit from Saucy Sticker Co. And it's just the full boxes again, just like with Marie Week. And so it's just like a very simplistic girly sort of feel. And I love this middle quote, like you are surrounded by beauty, because it's just like emphasizing like loving yourself, and that's what I've been trying to do. If you're excited to see how this week's turned out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!